Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET Webform and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to do the filtering for the product page. You can see on the screen we have the category section, which displaying all of the category in the system. So basically, when we click on the hyperlink here, Asset, Dell, Desktop, iPhone, Laptop, Mac, and Printer here. So it should be filtering the data of the product. And at this time we have no activity for this one. And when click on this one, for now there are the error message. And after click on this one here, it will direct the user to the product page here. And instead of displaying all of the product listing on this page, so we should do the filtering. So for example, the assets here, it contains uh, two items here. So it will only, when we click on asset, it will only display a two item. The same thing for the Dell. We have three items here. It belong to the Dell category. So when we click on the Dell, it should be only display the three item. And the same thing for another category. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Visual Studio. Let's open the data access layer and see what we have to do. I will open the product data access layer. Okay, so I will open the product logic. Okay, and we have to update the link for the category here. So I will open the left menus. Left menu, in the user control, it should be the menu left. Menu left. Okay. And the last one, we have to update the code for product listing. Product list. Okay. That's all. So now we should working on the fork page here. Okay. So first we working with the data asset layer. And let's see. This one is the method to return all of the product listing in the system. And now I will create a new one. Just copy this, copy and paste it here. Okay, so now I will add one more parameter here. It should be integer equal category. So the question mark here, that means you are able to pass the null value for category to this method. Okay, so now here I have to do the checking if category is not null. Oh sorry. I will, if the category is null, so I will return the default here. Okay, copy the same thing here. Okay, product. Okay, I will do order by descending. Descending by the product ID. That means the new is the latest product will be displayed on the top. Okay. Dot where where category ID equal category. Okay, cool. And this one, okay, so this one I think we should order by as well. Order by deciding product ID. Cool. We can change it for this one as well. Okay, I will copy it. So now back to go to the product list, product logic. I will copy the same thing here. Fourth, I will pass it into the integer category. Okay. Cool. Done for the product logic. Okay, and now I will work on the menu lab. Okay, so for the menu lab, I have to update the link for navigate URL here. Okay, it will direct me to the product list page here. Cool. Oh, sorry. Evo. First one, it should be category ID. And the second one parameter here, it should be the string format of the navigate URL. It should be okay. Product list.asvx. Parameter is queries in query string. It should be cat cat 0. Okay, cool. Category. So you want to check the category is correct or not. So you open the product here, go to definition, category. Okay, copy it to make sure it is correct. Product menu layout, paste it. Okay, save. Done. Open the product list. And the product list, we are getting the data from the product list user console. Okay, I open it. User console. I will open the backend code. Yeah. So now the method still display name is file related product. Okay, so I think we should change it name to make it meaningful. Because when doing the product listing, so we copy the code from the user control file related product, which display the related file product on the home page. So now we forget to change the name. Okay, change it. Read name. I will change it to the product listing. Get product listing. Enter. Okay. So now I will update the code for this one a little bit. It is getting the product list here. Okay. So now I have string category equal request dot query string. Okay, the query string data, you should get it from the menu left. It should be cat. Okay. Okay. If string those is not null or empty. Okay. L. So if the category is not null, that means we are getting we are do filtering the data based on the category. So we shouldn't return the all of the listing in the product. Otherwise, if the category is null, so we should return the same thing for all of the list product in the system. Okay, I will remove this one here. L. Okay. I will create a, let's see, product. Okay, return the list of product. Okay, should be list data access layer dot model dot product. I will name it product equal new. Okay, I will create a, so here, okay, I will have product equal category. I will convert to integer. Okay, get product listing we have done. So now let's build it and run the project. Ready, succeed. Refresh this one. Cool. Okay, when you do hover into the hyperlink in the category section here, you can see at the end of the left corner here, bottom corner. So it will display the URL. There are the product list .aspx file question mark and category equal 10, 9, 3, 1. Okay, cool. It seems it is working fine for now. And when you click on assert here, it will direct you to the product list page here. However, for now we have nothing, no data for this category. So it will open the Dell, nothing. Desktop, okay. iPhone, yeah, a lot of things. Laptop, MacBook, printer, cool. So actually, if we have no data here, so we should display something message to let the user know about this. Okay. And then laptop. Okay, so for example, this one we have the iPhone. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in this category. And here in the URL, there are the category equal 1. So now if I type something, this this one here and enter it. Yeah. So it will display the error message here. It said input string were not in a correct format. So because category we are using it is integer, and for now the user enter it is a string here. That means when we do the trick when we call the when we send the request to the server, so the input string is the incorrect format, and it will return the error message. So now we should back to the Visual Studio here. We have to do the checking for category before calling it to the server. Okay, I will do it here. Integer get và check equal integer dot typepath category get. Okay, so here the check value when it will have the value is true or false. So when it do the typepath category from the string into the integer, if category the value of category is a number, so it will return the value for check is true. Otherwise it will return false. So we will check if the check data is true, so we will pass the data in and call it. I mean when the check is true, so we will writing the data based on the category. Otherwise we will return the default value for the return all of the product in the system. Okay, here if check, I will return L. Copy this one, copy this. Instead of using category here, so we can use a cat. Okay, cool. Build the project. Okay, iPhone, blah 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 here. Okay, so it will return all of the data instead of display the error message as we can see in the previously. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we will continue with checking if we have no data, I mean no product in the category, so we should display the message here, something like no data, which lets the user know we have no data in the category. Okay, open the Visual Studio. I will check it here. Okay, if product dot count greater than 0, do this. L. Okay, okay. Okay, so now I should, yeah, you can see for now instead of display the blank page, it will display the no data message here. So will be helpful for the visitor to visit the website and select and query the data. Download data, desktop, iPhone, laptop, MacBook, printer. Okay, cool. And I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to do the filtering for the product page based on the category. I mean, based on selected category. So if the user select the category on the left hand here, so when they select any category, if we have the product inside that category, so we should direct user to the product list page, and otherwise we will display the warning message is no data or something like that. Okay, I hope that video will helpful for you, and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and talk to you later.